Developing news, SoCal Edison has just warned it may turn off power to 53,000 business and residential customers because of expected Santa Ana winds. Customers are in the Santa Clarita Valley, Agora, Malibu, Simi Valley, Altadena, San Bernardino, and the neighboring cities, and the Santa Ana foothill communities in Orange County. Edison will intentionally cut power off if the winds are strong enough to bring those power lines down, which could rapidly spread wildfires. Now, those red flag warnings are set to go off sometime tomorrow.
That's right. And for more on what we can expect, here's meteorologist Evelyn Taft.
Susie, Jeff, as we get a look at your watches, warnings and advisories, you mentioned red flag warnings. We've got those. We also have wind warnings and freeze watches in the high desert. Red flag warnings lasting tomorrow through Friday, expecting warm, dry, and windy conditions as we head into the next couple of days. So again, we are looking at critical fire weather with this. We will continue to track conditions for you. We'll take you through your wind futurecast coming up in a little bit here. You will see temperatures tonight, though, nice and mild, nice and cool, 50s and 60s, calm with wind coming in Lancaster at 19 miles per hour, but otherwise sort of the calm before the big windstorm.